Welcome back to Expression Personnelle Tarot for all those who know me. And for those who do not know me, well, everything happens for a reason. So, welcome, like, and subscribe. So, we are going to see what is new for September 2nd through the 8th. So, let's go ahead and with that, all material is solely formed for entertainment purposes only. We are going to look at what kind of vibe, career, and just any scammers or anything like that. Report them, imposters. If you're going to leave comments, beware of the comment sections, things like that. All right. With that, let us begin. Spirit, please help guide this message for the collective. This reading is for all signs. September 2nd through the 8th, 2024. What do we have going on for the collective? Mercury, Gemini energy here. Next 88 days, perhaps you're going to be completing things. At least you're going to be quite ambitious during that time. Mercury energy, the Magician, manifesting, feeling Libra energy as well. Try not to get too distracted. Okay, yes, getting wrapped up in your own head here. I'm feeling like those ropes are looser than you think here. Here we are. There's a creative new idea. So if you can pretty much understand what is going on here, through this difficult energy that might be coming in, it might try to hold you back from pursuing anything new. So that might get you stuck in your head at this time. There could be a little bit of restriction right now, and it's just hard to travel forward right now. So it feels basically you take one step forward and, of course, 2 steps back. Now, just right now, don't assume things. I see people from your past, maybe if it was difficult a while back, maybe you're trying to give it another shot, hanging out with old friends, trying to offer a new beginning, and I see that only leading to conflict for someone here. That's not going to be for everyone. So, definitely Gemini energy and brand new Aries energy here, Mars energy, Mars and Gemini energy. Willing to throw down kind of energy. The 5 of Cups here, what no longer serves you. So we have something that you really need to know that there's still 2 cups standing, right? And just about anybody reading tarot will tell you, sometimes it's hard to see what you still have. So maybe there was a loss, and that loss was quite painful here. So, and perhaps some of you are having to cut off just relatives, people that you care very deeply about that just aren't working out in your favor. They keep maybe leaving you out high and dry. Here we have the 5 of Pentacles here. So I feel that there is some help here. So there's something grounding here. You just really have to open your eyes. It is there. There is a place for you here. A warm place. So you might feel like you have been left out in the cold regarding a situation. The Seven of Swords here. Yes, you definitely feel that there has been a weekend here involved. I feel with the Seven of Swords, it's very much a like ninja spirit. It's everything that you have ever learned. I feel like there's some knowledge that's going to come to you regarding something here with business. The Queen of Cups here. I'm feeling Cancer energy here. Pisces energy. Whatever, you know that there's something coming in for you. You can feel it. The Queen of Cups. Seven of Wands and the Knight of Wands. There's going to be some, for some of you, you could be going out places, going out to eat, different things like that. A jacket for some of you. But I do see a confusing time right now. You want to see action. And I see things pushing forward. Clear up until Valentine's Day, but right now, possibly keeping your thoughts close to yourself. Not letting everybody know what you have here. The Six of Wands. One cat has a rat, and there's five mouths to feed here. Six cats. That's not easy at all. Please like and subscribe. September 2nd to the 8th. What do we have here? The Hierophant. Somewhat institutions here. I feel number 5 here. What no longer serves you, but could be very successful if you've been focused here. Now, the Knight of Swords, there's going to be some news coming in. It's going to be coming in very quickly. The way things have been going. So there's going to be some news about that. Seven of Cups, the Two of Coin, and the Ten of Cups. And I see whatever this is, whatever this opportunity that's coming in is going to help you balance out a family dynamic here. For a lot of you, this is going to bring in a lot of merriment here. With that Ten of Cups energy, this is happiness all the way around. I mean, the rainbow here, the spirit is bringing in a beautiful time here. And that ship, of course, you could tell that it is coming in for you. So it's going to be an opportunity that is well received. You need this. Some apostrophe cards here for the collective. Some of you feel like your stomach's been eating itself. Not all strippers dance. There are energy thieves out there. Easy to get 10% versus the 90%. Construction worker. Build from scratch. Something like that. Romance. Love with being in love. Valentine's Day. So, I feel like here's an investment. Are you the person to risk it all? Lost the bet. Something about a casino possibly, or lost the bet somehow. Time constraints, these kinds of things. Or here. Photographer, lost, detective, found. They want you to be a mind reader, available daily, late. Somebody's late. We are here for you. We are many. A grapevine is compromised. Banned, blocked. Haunting. Bouncing back and forth. The Chariot awaits. Cancer energy. No. There was a no here. A solid no. Motivational vibes. Upbeat energy. Something about a rat. Loses steam. The cat and the rat. Wow. A mom and a sister likes everyone but you. A whole family is not for you. Talk about you. One who puts his life down for another shall be saved. A person from your past died of an overdose, suicide. All bark, no bite. Small dog syndrome, trick or treat. You're the horse could be significant. You're the tiger could be significant. We are and you're the dragon. Those are your soulmates. You're the tiger and you're the dragon, as well as the sheep. What's the catch? Can see through you. Huh. Remember, all materials solely formed for entertainment purposes only. Beware of any information that comes to light today that paints somebody in a bad light. The Five of Pentacles and the King of Cups here. I feel like we've all been in certain situations. We can all learn from things. I feel like things could just be suddenly, you know, pushing forward here for the collective. King of Swords here. So I, Pisces energy. Pisces. Gemini, Pisces, and Libra are very highlighted right now. Let's go ahead and draw a stone here. Things are moving forward for those 3 signs rapidly. Something about just hurt feelings here. Hurt feelings. Wow. Friction. Lap of delight. Recall your dreams here. Pisces energy. And appetite. Get out of your comfort zone. So there, I feel as if you're going to find the confidence at this time, especially Pisces energy. Just stay away from any petty gossip. Focus on love, love, love. Perhaps some of you could be looking for a job or just trying to find a way. And I do see that there's going to be information here regarding some kind of career or job or anything like that. Pisces, Scorpio, water signs in general. And I see that is going to be moving more fluid for you. Very grounding there for earth signs as well. Clear up into at least January. Let's go ahead and get a love romance card. September 2nd through the 8th. We have trust. Transformation occurs through acceptance. Once you accept the current situation, it will transform automatically. So this is really, really beautiful. I'm seeing a lot of energy starting to flow here. So a wonderful time for love. Love, love, love. What kind of yoga poses or whatever can we get for the collective? What chakra do we need to touch on to get things flowing for September 2nd through the 8th for the collective? We have the crown chakra affirmations. Always trust and follow my intuition. 9 and 1. I feel like some of you are wounded warriors and you do need a brand new beginning. You do need to be able to trust into the divine. I'm feeling pretty much as above, so below. Number 1, we basically, that crown, okay, this is super Gabriel. Gimel, Kether, crown, Metatron. You have the Beth and the Aleph in the archetypal world. Between the gates and the path. Pretty much you have the justice and the mercy. Right here we have the crown. 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 You need to trust. Follow your intuition. Follow it. Believe. I feel as if there might be music or a get-together of some kind. I'm also feeling a lot of heaviness, laziness maybe coming in for that September 2nd through the 8th. So watch out for that. When I feel like get out of your comfort zone, this is a wonderful time for you to really get out there and put your best foot forward. Try something new with, you know, someone that really gets that mind going, Mercury energy. Perhaps, I don't know if it's a group date or anything like that, but I do see that it's a good time to get with friends, more or less, you know. So yeah, well, oh, let's draw a finance card. Go ahead and close it out. Some finances. What can we do to get some of that the pentacles going? Parenthood. Some of you are parents right here. You need to need to spend time with that inner child. Times have been up and down, like a roller coaster ride. Some of you might be seeing a counselor or reconsidering that. But success will find you. If that's what you've been wanting, get a life or whatever like that. Okay. Mend what needs to be mending. Okay, in a relationship. Again, success will find you. So, I feel like somebody needs to hear that. Success will find you. Success will find you. It will. What is meant to be for you will be for you. Okay, and this is regarding business. So, I feel like right now it's an intimidating time. There could be arguments. Maybe not everybody is on board. Perhaps it is in the construction mode. You have to be patient. Takes wisdom. Sometimes things do take time, up to 3 years. I heard something like that. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and close out this reading. Appetite, get out of that comfort zone. We have Lapidolite, recall your dreams. Any amazing dreams or anything like that you want to go ahead and share, go put that in the comment, and I will be sure to get back with you. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.